Hello there, and welcome to this guide on working from home safely. LCE Workplace Safety has prepared the short animation to help employers and employees when so many of us have found ourselves working from home unexpectedly. Most of us won't have a ready to go home office setup, so we'll be doing our best working at the kitchen table or indeed, worse again, on the couch. The legalities of home working specify that when working on a computer continuously for an hour or more per day, that a computer workstation must be assessed and employees provided with a minimum standard of equipment. COVID-19 has turned working lives upside down, resulting in thousands of us finding ourselves sitting with a laptop at the kitchen table while sitting on a kitchen chair. Practicality has to prevail. If working from home, using a setup that technically may not comply with the legal requirements reduces the risk of being exposed to the COVID-19 virus, well then certainly working from home is the lower of the two risks. However, there are some practical things you can do whilst working at home using a laptop which will help with your posture, reduce the risks of pain and discomfort. Here are our top tips. Firstly, avoid using the couch as your workstation. Use a flat surface such as a kitchen table or worktop that has enough space underneath for your knees and thighs. Take a short break away from the laptop every hour. Get up, walk around, stand up when you take a phone call, stand up when you are reading documentation. Use a rolled up thin pillow or cushion to provide a lumbar support on your chair. And if your elbows are below the table when working, put a cushion on your chair to raise yourself up. If you have a keyboard and mouse which is separate to your laptop, place your laptop on some books to get the monitor to the correct height. Try not to set your laptop up in front of a window, as this can result in issues with glare. If there is glare on your monitor, move to another part of the table. Yes, of course, the ideal scenario is that you have access to a monitor, a riser, a keyboard, a mouse, an adjustable chair, and a workstation assessment. But we have to let sense prevail in the present circumstances. Let's hope that this is short term and follow my top tips for setting up your workstation so that it can be the best it can in the present circumstances. Use a flat surface with enough legroom underneath as your workstation. Take regular short breaks away from your laptop or computer. Use a rolled cushion or pillow to provide a lumbar support. If your elbows are lower than the table surface, use a cushion to raise yourself up so that your arms are level with the desk. If you have a separate keyboard and mouse, raise your laptop on books and avoid working directly in front of a window. And of course, don't forget the basics of safety. In our home environments, we may be exposed to unusual hazards such as toys on the floor. Slips, trips and falls are the most common cause of workplace accidents, so be conscious of our surroundings. Thank you for watching this animation. LCE Workplace Safety are the leading providers of safety training, safety consultancy and ergonomics. So for expert advice or indeed a VDU home assessment, contact Karen at 051 364 344.